Hey everyone, I have a product your kids are going to love today. This is a set of foam blocks that your kids can use to make a couch, a fort, build with, stack towers with, and have loads of imaginative play. So these are all a very soft memory foam material, nice thick blocks. So when you stand them up, they stay, they don't tip over. They also have these little snaps on the end. So when you are building or when your kids are building, they can snap these blocks together and they will stay where you put them. So you eliminate the problem of having your blocks tipping over, your fort not standing up how you want it to. That can be a real frustration. So I love that these ones snap together and you don't have that. As you can see, they fit together. You can take them apart. This makes like a fun little doorway. Stack them up. Those ones also have snaps on them. And a really great feature about this is you can actually unzip these, take these covers off, wash them in the washing machine, and put them back on. So I absolutely love that. So when my kids saw this, they were just instantly drawn to it. It's really exciting and fun when they see it. And they just used their imagination and started building stuff immediately. So these were a really fun gift. My kids love them. My kids are in ages all the way down from 3 to 10. Loved these things.